I'm back at this awesome lake that I fished at last year. It's under new ownership this year. It's a private lake, and they got some big plans for it next year. They're gonna be turning it into a membership lake, but I just got permission to fish it this year from the bank. Next year I'll be able to fish it from the kayak, and they're gonna be taking the membership fees from next year and stocking it with either fish, bait fish, using the money to put structure in it. It's an old rock quarry, has ledges to about 24-25 feet, has one spot up to 40 feet. There's lots of bass in here, largemouth, smallmouth. I even caught a pike in here last year. He just told me somebody caught a 26-inch pike this year, but he said he wants all pike taken out. It's real clear water. Lots of rocks on the bank, rock ledges. Used to be an old campground and swimming place years and years ago. It's had a little nip by something there. But I believe this is the area he's going to turn it back into a campground. But I'm glad it's under new ownership. It's going to be doing something with it, because it's a really beautiful lake slash quarry. Can't wait to get out on the kayak on it next year. Got a bar restaurant up there. It's pretty packed right now for being out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, this guy is just looking at me. He ain't gonna bite nothing. Had a few times last year, I had about 6 of them just swimming right underneath my kayak, right beside my kayak. I wasn't gonna bite nothing because it's so clear they was looking right at me. Same as this little guy's doing. I'm gonna change bait, a little bit more finesse, and try to lure him into a bite or something. He's interested in it, he's just not biting it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change baits. Switch to Texas rigworm. Hopefully the weight don't get caught up in this, all these rocks. See if this guy right in front of me will go for it. He's looking to bite something. Just went towards it. Now there's a nice big rock up here, and then there's a stump up here. Usually hides some fish. There's another couple bass right there looking at me. The thing about this place, it just seems like they're all over the place. 3 of them right there. Not very big. 4 of them I see now. Definitely one of the places you need to stand back away from the bank. It'd be frustrating when you see so many bass, but they're all just sitting there staring at you and won't bite nothing. Probably seen 10 bass now, all just facing the bank, just looking at me. Like, I ain't falling for that. There's a little one. Still skinny here. Little skinny guy. Got him on Texas rig, 5-inch Cinco. See if there's another one out here. Oh, I just missed another one. Oh, got one that time. Yeah, he's a little bit, he's not much longer, but he feels a little bit heavier. Told you this place is stacked with them. They actually look a little bit better shape this year than they did last year. It's a good sign. There you go, buddy. Oh, this water's so clear. Just talked to the owner again. The memberships are probably going to be about 50, 75 bucks. They're going to be pretty limited though. He's just wanting sell them to local people to come in and drink at the little bar and go fishing and stuff. So I'm not sure how many memberships he's really going to sell. See a couple small bass up in these weeds though, in these lily pads. Said there's so many natural springs in this place that it rarely freezes over. So one of his neighbors only ice fished this place like twice in 30 years. That's how rare it is that this place freezes over. Oh, be damned. Frog right there. I don't have a white frog either. Oh, yeah, gotcha. First frog I've ever found. Not sure what kind it is, but looks like a decent frog. Bend the hooks upwards and probably give them a nice sharpen. It's hard telling how long I've been out here. Time I find something besides a bobber. Although I did find a nice square bill this year. Do some old school flipping. Oh, and he came off. I just caught a fish and looked at my GoPro and the battery wasn't running. So I'm not sure if it recorded it or not. Wasn't very big, maybe 10, 11 inches, but still very disappointed if it didn't catch it. Oh well, I'll just have to catch some more. Oh, you guys seen that fish jump right in front of me. I almost tripped over a log. Not sure if it was a bass or not. There we go. Calm down, buddy. I didn't mean to get you, but you bit it so close to the bank. Get you off the ground here. Decent one. Still a little skinny. Got a little scar on him up here. Wonder what that's from. It's good, probably 14 inches. Alright, buddy. I mean, they couldn't resist this shaky head. It's an 1/8 ounce. It's called the Closer Shaky Head by Custom Lures. I have some in 1/4 ounce. I wanted a little bit lighter, so I just got some from the Labor Day sale in 1/8 ounce. Got a little Berkley power bait worm. Just casting it out there and letting it sink to the bottom of that ledge, which takes a few seconds. I'll tighten my line back up a little bit. Just kind of give it a few shakes. Drag it in a little bit. Reel in the slack. Give it a couple more shakes. Just repeat the process. Fish it as slow as I can. I'm not really a patient fisherman, but I try to fish it slow. That one kind of bit it right up by the bank, but I'm not sure if he followed it in from out deeper or what. A lot of ripples on the surface. It's pretty clear water, but I can't really see through the surface right now with all the ripples. Got some bass attractant spray from a plastic. And I got some line conditioner for my fluorocarbon. It seems like you gotta spray this stuff on it about every time you use it for it to work. A good squirt. I cast it out, give it another squirt. Oh, something big. Grabbed a hold of it for a second. she'd come back for it. That thing seemed like it was huge. That yanked the rod out of my hand. You should have tasted that attractant and kept it in its mouth. At least came back for it. Anyways, after I'm done reeling about halfway, I'll give it another squirt. Oh, there's a huge carp. Rock bass. First time throwing a, well, not my first time throwing a 3/8 ounce bullet weight. But I think it might be my first fish I caught on a 3/8 ounce bullet weight. Big old ugly rock bass, starting to change color. Oh, he ran right into the end of a stick. Get your mouth. There you go. This water's so clear. There we go. A little one. So at least it's a largemouth. Little dinkster. I'll take him though, as tough it has been. Take any fish right now. It's getting to be the end of the season. Take what I can get. Another little one. Ah, came off. There we go. Little dinkster, I'll take it. It's a rock bass. There we go, little guy. Might be the last one in the evening. Pretty dark out. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. Alright, bud, gotta give you a toss.